Hello everyone. Today I want to play with some sequins and I want to decorate these anchors. Let's see how they turn out. The supplies that I'm using for this project are these wooden cutouts. I like these, they're so cute. They are 4 inches long by 3 inches wide. I also grabbed some natural color jute cord, and of course I have my sequins in the coastal colors. I love these sequins, they're so cute. Of course you're going to need a nice thick glue to secure your sequins to your base. I will let you know if I use any other items to complete my project. The anchor I'm using is 4 inches long and about 3 inches wide. And I want to keep that natural color on there. And then my sequins, I have at least 3 different colors in here. Let me see. Here we go. Pull those out. So you see there? And they are, grab a ruler here. About 3/16 of an inch across. So, almost a fourth, right? It's a large sequin. I like it. And I think I want to do single colors for now. I do have 9 of these that I want to decorate. And I have my glue here. Let me see. I'm going to grab a tweezer. This will just make it a lot easier for me to handle all the sequins. Let me see. I'm going to put some glue down. This is one of those projects you should get everybody in the house involved in, right? Have fun decorating. And there, let's see. Let me do the light color first. Oh, this one doesn't have a hole in the center. I want to keep them pretty much the same, so let's see. Start with this one. There we go. And then the next one. Oh, well, this is fun. Look. I'm going to move this glue. My glue drop is in the wrong spot. Next one, I'm going to try to space them out somewhat. Oh, let me try to okay, I think that's good. That one. Oh. Okay, I think this is good, right? Look, they're somewhat spaced out. I mean, I'm happy with it. And then I need one for the very bottom. Down here. Let me get you closer. There you go, you see that? Isn't that cute? And then I need to do a little test right quick. So that's 3 on the side. And then I'm going to try to get 2 in here. Okay, so let me move this over. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay, that's good. I want to keep somewhat of a line going there and here. Okay. There we go. I feel like this side is more spaced out. I think like that, right? That's kind of cute. And then I think this one going across right there. I don't know. Should I put some on there? Maybe just on the end. Like that. Okay. Let's try that. Look at that. I have a nice cute shine on there. Cute. I could put like silver sequin here. Or no, they're usually like a bronze color, aren't they? Like the anchor? I don't know. I guess, I mean, what color your anchor is all up to you, right? Oh, let me move this down. It's on my, right here, the circle. There we go. I think this is good though. Right? So yeah, so if you want, you can put sequins on the pointy ends of your anchor right there. But I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one aside. Over here, where can you still see it over there? And the next one. Let's do a blue one next, maybe. Let's see. Let's see what these darker blue ones look like. Oh. There we go. I'm not very good at spacing my glue. Oh, it seems to be off every time, right? So let's go. Isn't that a pretty anchor? I like it. That is cute. On to the next color. I think I will do the teal color next. I have just finished my last anchor. Now, I noticed that it's a lot easier when you turn your sequins up because they're shaped like a little plate, right? So if you put them here off to the side and they're ready, your project will go a lot faster. And another thing is when you're putting your sequins on, push down a little bit like this. Make the glue come through the little holes on the sequin itself. That acts as a plug to hold your sequins down also. So let me show you my anchors. Let me move this aside. So I made 3 of each color. So I have the blue ones here. And then I have the seafoam colors. Those there. And then I have the teal colors right here. Look at that. I love the colors on those. So since I was having so much fun, I decided to go ahead and add 3 more. And I made the multicolored ones. Look at this. I like the way it turned out, the multicolored ones. Look at that. So I now have I now have 12 anchors that are ready to go on a project. And then I also trimmed some of my jute cording down to 12 inches. And I'm just going to put those on my anchors. So there is a lot that you can do with these cute little anchors, right? So you can make a garland with these. You know, string them up all over the house. You can use them as an ornament if you're decorating a coastal tree. Oh, these will look really pretty on there. Again, you can use it as an ornament on a gift also. I love the way they turned out. I'm glad I stayed with the natural color in the background. Now, these multicolored ones, it was a last minute idea. You know, I'm like, since I'm doing all this, I might as well just do a multicolored one. And I didn't think it was gonna turn out as great as it did. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, I like the way they turned out. I'm so happy with these. Well, thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.